Okay, so we're over at the bandsaw. We have our arc made on our rocker box sides. We have it all taped together. So I'm going to cut just opposite that line so I can leave that line to go to it perfectly whenever I go to the oscillating sander. I set up with a pretty fine tooth blade so I don't have any chip out. And I will start the cut. Okay, so here's my cutout. Bring it over to you and see if we can see that line. Give it a second to focus. So there's the line, and again, I just tried to stay on this side of the line. Now I'm going to take this, all taped together, over to the oscillating sander, and I'll sand to that line. Okay, so I've got the oscillating sander set up. I've got my two rocker box sides, and I'm just going to take my time. I'm going to sand right down to that line. And so I'll get started now. And that's it. Beautiful. So we can even take like a disc sander and go down to like 150, 180 grit. Go ahead and get those sides ready for finishing. Because the last thing we want to do, separate these sides and then sand one side down lower than the other side. We want these to be exact. So I'll typically finish everything I can while it's taped together like this, and then we'll move on.